HVAC is a big deal in Florida, and every investor has a slush account that's for major maintenance. I promise you, if you went and asked them what the major maintenance they're talking about is most likely going to be, it's probably one of three things, and one of them is definitely going to be an AC unit. So keeping it healthy, and if you have tenants in there, and having them treat it like it's, you know, their own and taking care of it, can be a challenge. A few ways that we overcome that as a professional property management company is we include, one, filters for them. Okay, we either have it supplied by the owner and make sure it's on property. We have them write the date of when it's replaced, and when they replace it, they have us send a picture to the property management company showing the old one and the new one with the date written, and then it's been replaced. When we do an on-site inspection, we are going to be checking to make sure the date matches. They obviously throw away the old ones. We don't have them save them, but we'll know pretty quickly if they're not doing so. Another thing is pouring vinegar or bleach, not at the same time. That creates a bad chemical, but one or the other. I think vinegar is better, down the drain of the AC unit, I'd say about once a month. Now, getting the tenant to do that, something you have to decide. If not, this is where having an on-site local property manager is important, because they, as they do their inspections and rounds, should be doing that when they're on site. Those two things alone will greatly help. One additional one would be get a screen net for the top of the actual unit that's outside. It will help keep debris from getting in, but it will not restrict airflow. You can find those on Amazon. Last thing is have a regular service maintenance done and scheduled with a local company. Number one, that'll keep it preventative, you know, to make sure it's up to date. Two, if there's an issue, you're going to know about it before instead of it being a major problem. And three, if there is an emergency, believe me, they will get to you before anyone else. So if you're on their service plan and you have a major problem, they're coming to you first. So you're going to get faster service. A couple things you can do, save you a world of headache.